In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your billing history in Base44 in just a few simple clicks. If you ever need to check your active plan, review past payments, or find billing details for your account, this is the fastest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Base44 and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, so go ahead and click on it. This opens up your account options and settings menu. Once the menu appears, click on Settings. Inside the settings area, you'll find different account and workspace options, but the one we need for billing is Plan and Billing. Click on Plan and Billing to open your subscription details. On this page, Base44 will show you your active plan along with your billing history. That means you can review previous charges, check when you were billed, and confirm the plan you're currently using. If you need this information for bookkeeping, account management, or just to keep track of your subscription, this is the exact section to use. So to recap, click the profile icon on the bottom left, choose Settings, then select Plan and Billing, and from there you can view both your active plan and your billing history. Simple, fast, and easy to find. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.